Hi guys, this is Celine, and sorry, not been on uh, online making videos, but this is a very short video of how to make or how I make uh, my carrot oil. So what I have in this is 50 grams of grated carrot and 150 grams of grapeseed oil. Now you can take oil of your choice. Okay, I like grapeseed oil. Now the thing is, I grated the carrot. I squeezed it out because I'm going to make a carrot and ginger soap. So I squeezed out the juice from the carrot and don't look at that one. That's my Indian tea that's happening. Okay, so just leave that. Concentrate on this one. So I squeezed out the juice so that I could have the juice of the carrot for the soap, and I have this carrot which is without much juice. Some of it I'm sun drying. I have a little bit still grated still left. The remaining I'll see what I need to do, but as of now, um, this is the the carrot oil that I'm going to make. So that's 50 grams of grated carrot without the juice. I mean, it's not completely dry, but still has its benefits there. So, and uh, there's 150 grams of grapeseed oil. So I am going to heat this up. Now there are different kinds of carrot oil that I'm trying to make. So one is with this with the fresh carrot with the juice out. I have uh, in one this in a jar in a mason jar I have carrot powder, which is right now infusing with some grapeseed oil. So I didn't put it in a double boiler. I'm just infusing it just as is, and I'll infuse it for a month, and then I'll see how that turns out. And then obviously I have these grated carrots, some of it which I'm sun drying, and I'll try making some carrot oil with that too. Now the thing about carrot oil is that it's very nice for your skin to remove blemishes and things like that. So that's why I'm trying. I've heard a lot about the benefits of carrot for your skin. So I'll also show you all the recipe when I'm making uh, my carrot and ginger soap, which will have carrot juice, ginger juice, and carrot powder and ginger powder. So I'll be having all of those. Now this has come to a boil. I'm going to reduce the heat and I let it cook on low heat. I'm not trying to burn the carrot. I'm just trying to uh, have it uh, kind of crisp. So I'll show you all when I finish making the other carrot oils. I'll show you all, but obviously the carrot that I'm sun drying will take some time. So uh, infusing that oil will take time, and the one that I've already started with the carrot powder will take some time. This is one of the easiest and the fastest methods to get uh, a carrot oil ready. But some people might think that, if you heat it up like this, carrot will burn and lose its goodness, but no, that's not going to happen. So and obviously um, that has my um, Indian tea. So I make that uh, especially when it's it's with ginger and mint leaves and things like that, and it's really good for your throat. So as of now, um, everyone in the household is down with a bad throat and fever and stuff like that because of the change in weather that we have here. So this tea really helps with soothing the throat. I mean, this does have sugar and milk. Uh, if you eliminate the sugar and milk, you can have uh, the tea even like that by just boiling water, uh, tea leaves, ginger, and mint leaves, and you can just have it with some honey. That works well too. So let me get your back when this is um, ready to be off the heat. It's still not, though I can, really get the smell of um, the carrot getting cooked. So the fragrance of the carrot is really nice. So let me get you all when I'm ready to remove this from the heat. Okay, so now if you'll see, the color of the carrot has changed. It has shrunk up a little bit. And I am going to, so now I let this cool before I transfer it uh, into a jar, and then I'll use this for my products. I don't want to leave, I mean, obviously I'll strain it, and because I don't want to leave the carrot in the oil. But there is no moisture left in this anymore. So that's what it. So yeah, that's about it. I'll strain this and I'll put it in a mason jar once it is cooled out, and then it's good to use. I mean, I strained out the the juice for the carrot. You don't have to, you can leave the juice. You can cook it with, the carrot just as it is. So it's just that I did it that way because I needed the juice and I didn't want to waste all the grated carrot. So in fact, when I think about it, maybe I'll just put the grated carrot, I'll mash it up and put it in my soap. I don't know, I'll see. Yeah, so that's the oil, that's how the carrot looks, and the oil is done. So that's about it. It's a short video, but a very helpful one, and it's easy DIY. So that's about it. See you all in the next one. Bye.